Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to put tables side by side in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document and you can see here I put the tables side by side. So let's see how it's done. Okay, the first go to the insert tab and click on the table and select the here 3 by 1. Okay, now I just write here the table 1, then I copy this text, paste on second and third, it's table 2, table 3. Okay, then I select all three and use the bold, increase the font size. Okay, then I click here and press the enter key. Okay, then increase the space those you want to insert the table. So click here and after that go to the insert tab, click on the table and insert the table those you want. So I here insert 4 by 5. Okay, same as second, click here, press the enter key, again go to the insert tab, select the table. Okay, and same as here, click here, press the enter key, go to the insert tab, select the table 4 by 5. Okay, after that just click here and press the backspace to set here the table. Okay, and if you want to remove this border of table, you can see this is a border, and if you want to remove this, just click on here, right click of the mouse and click on the table properties. In table properties, click on the borders and shadings option. In borders tabs, just click on the none and click on OK, then click on OK. Now you can see the margin is removed. Okay, now if you want to movable table, all these three movable table, then you just go to the insert tab, click on the text box and click on the draw text box. Just draw here the text box. Okay, then just select this all three table, right click of the mouse, click on the cut and paste in text box. Okay, now you can easily move this all three table anywhere and set anywhere in Word document. Okay, and if you want to remove this line of text box, just click on this line. Okay, and right click of the mouse, then click on the format shapes option, then click on the lines, then click on the no line and close this. Now just click here and you can see the line also remove. Okay, so this is a way you can put the table side by side in Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.